Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see if-else statement in Python. Indentation plays a vital role in if-else statement in Python. Let's look at the example so that we will get more information about if-else statement in Python. First, I am using input method and then I am getting age value from the employee. Next, I am converting the string to integer. The return type of input function is always string class. So I'm converting the string into an integer. Next, I'm printing the voting ability based on if-else condition. First, I'm checking whether the age is less than 18. If it is less than 18, then I'm going to print you are not eligible for voting and also your session is closing. Next, I'm going to use else and then I'm going to print you are eligible for voting and proceed further for filling the form. And finally, once this if else condition is done, it will print thank you. So here the indentation plays a vital role. So between if and else, the information should be indented. Here in the else also, you have to indent the text. So here this print is not indented. So it will display irrespective of if or else block execution. If the age is less than 18, it will print these two lines and then it will print thank you. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then it will print these two lines and then it will display this thank you. So let's see this example by executing it. So I'm going to execute the code. So it is asking the age. I'm going to enter 12. So age is less than 18. So it will display you are not eligible for voting. Next it will display your session is closing. Next it will display thank you. Yeah, you are not eligible for voting. Your session is closing. Thank you. So now it executed if block. Let's next check else block. You are eligible for voting. Proceed further for filling the form. Thank you. So it displayed the else block and then it displayed the print thank you. So make sure indents are properly applied whenever you use if else block statement in Python. Make sure you use this colon for if and also for else block. Indents take care of the statements that has to be executed between if and else blocks. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which we referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.